Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so kakabalik ko lang sa isang bakasyon. Kaya kung napansin nyo, hindi pa ako nakakapag-post talaga ng uh, unique signs. So, plano ko siyang gawin this weekend. Pero for now, tinatawag ako ni Universe to at least do one reading. So, ang gagawin ko ay all signs reading para sa inyong lahat. And this reading is an energy check-in lang. So, kung kanino man mag-resonate itong reading na to, so para sa inyo itong reading. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. And alam kong inaabangan nyo rin ang readings ko kahit this past few days wala pa akong nagagawang unique signs reading. Okay. Ayun, ano lang po talaga, marami lang inasikaso, tapos nagbakasyon pa nga. And, yun, ngayon lang ulit talaga nagkaroon ng oras para umupo dito at gumawa ng love reading. Pero, yeah, for sure, this weekend, yan, abangan nyo yung unique signs reading. So, nating 12 signs, gagawin ko ng reading bawat isa. Okay? So, for now, let's just have an all signs reading. So, I set an intention na yung kung kanino man mag-resonate to, I'm sending you love and light. And hopefully, since isang reading lang siya for today, I really hope na maganda itong reading na to. And, yan, para sa inyo itong lahat. So, again, kung hindi siya nag-resonate sa inyo, huwag pilitin, lalo na all signs reading ito. Pero kung may mga parts or may mag-resonate ng kahit papano, just use it with discernment. Lalo na kung nag-resonate pa siya lalo, use the reading with discernment. Wag lang din kayo mag-rely masyado sa tarot and oracle readings, lalo na generic and collective reading ito. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay the 8 card spread using this deck. So, simulan na natin. I'll get the 5th card. I'll be ngayon. First card, Queen of Swords. Second card, the Hermit. Third card, Ace of Pentacles. Fourth card, the Star. Fifth card, Queen of Pentacles. Sixth card, Ace of Wands. Seventh card, Nine of Swords. And last card, Knight of Wands. Okay. Overall naman, may positive reading except for the Nine of Swords. Pero may reason naman yan. Kasi nakadikit naman siya kay Ace of Wands and Knight of Wands. So, which is suit of desires and passion. So, something related doon for sure yung. Anyway, and then bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. So that's the energy you don't see coming or hindi nyo napapansin sa inyo, pero nandyan siya. Ito yung energy ni High Priestess. So you might be dealing with a Virgo, okay? You might be dealing with an Aquarius or a Taurus. So, ayan. Lalo na kung nag-resonate to sa inyo, tas yun yung signs ng person ninyo, then most likely para sa inyo tong reading na to. Also, check nyo yung Moon, Venus, and Rising placements nila. Baka Virgo, Aquarius, and Taurus din sila sa mga placements na yun. Alright? So, I can see here that merong conversation, honest conversation na nangyari between the two of you when it comes to the relationship. And ang nakikita ko ditong energy is that yung conversation revolves around what needs to be done for the relationship to grow, or ano yung mga kailangang improve sa relationship para mas magtagal pa siya at mas mapanindigan nyo yung mga roles ninyo sa relationship. Okay? Kaya nagkaroon ng hermit mode in the recent past. Okay? And then itong hermit mode na to, it's just the time for both of you to really reflect after that conversation. And then nakita ko dito na yung conversation na to, hindi siya intense. It's actually a mature conversation between the two of you, kung saan parang na lay down ninyo sa table yung mga rooms for improvement nga sa relationship. And that allowed you to decide then na, okay, sige, let's just take a break. Pag-isipan yung mga kailangang pag-isipan. Okay, reflect on what needs to be done. Saka, ayun, may oras para magnilay-nilay, mag-isip-isip. And then, eventually, ang nangyari is, nagkaroon ng new start. After that, nagkita kayo ulit or nag-usap kayo ulit. Okay? And that, parang reset. Nagkaroon kayo ng reset. Actually, hindi nga, itong hermit mode, yung time nyo na, yung space na hiningi nyo sa isa't isa. Hindi nga siya yung even the cool off or break up eh. Hindi nga rin din siya umabot sa cool off. It's just really time for oneself. Okay? So, alam mo yung dahil nga galing siya sa isang mature conversation, yung space na nangyari is ayun lang, parang enough time to really work on yourselves, to reflect, and to really see the point of view of your partner, and vice versa. And then, eventually, nagkaroon ng fresh start, and reinvestment sa relationship. Yung mga, after that reflection, na-realize nyo nga yung mga pagkukulang ninyo, and same with the other party, so roles can be reversed. So yung mga pagkukulang sa relationship, ano yung mga na-realize nyo na, okay, ito nga yung naging contribution ko, bakit naging ganito yung relationship, and that led to something hopeful. So, ngayon, kung dati parang iniisip nyo, ano ba ito, may kahihit-natnan pa ba itong relasyon? Pero after that me time, or after that space na nabigay ninyo sa isa't isa, nagkaroon din ng space sa puso at isip ninyo na makita yung mga pagkukulang niyo and yung mga efforts na ginagawa ng other party na kala nyo dati hindi nangyayari. So, and that gives you more hope, both of you, sa future ng relationship as seen here by the star card. So, nandito din, there's also a lot of healing going on between the two of you. And, with the star card here also, ito, pag lumabas kasi star card, lagi namin sinasabi, make a wish. So, the positive energy of this spread, just manifest it, claim it, and yeah, comment na kayo sa baba. Sabihin nyo lang na I claim the positive energy of this of the spread. And then ito nakikita ko dito din, that at the present moment, going to the near future, is that there's so much love now. Alam mo yun, yung sinasabi nila na love is sweeter the second time around. Although, hindi naman kayo totally naghiwalay. Pero again, it's kind of a new chapter din somehow eh. And dahil nga mas nakita ninyo yung mga pagkukulang nyo at yung mga kailangan nyo improve at ano yung mga efforts na ginawa ng other party na kala nyo nung nakaraan na hindi, mas na-appreciate nyo yung isa't isa. So, mas nalagay ninyo yung sarili nyo sa shoes ng bawat isa, and mas na-appreciate nyo nga yung mga efforts na ginawa ng bawat isa in the past. Even your own efforts na proud ka rin na parang okay, I give what I can, and now I'm trying to give more, or especially the better version of myself. And yeah, with the Ace of Wands here, it's again a fresh start when it comes to the desires, to what gives fire to the relationship, di ba? Kung ano man yan, kung hobbies nyo together, or about sa sensuality between the two of you, or passions ninyo, di ba? Parang mas naano siya, parang okay, sige, gawin ulit natin yung mga dating ginagawa natin na eventually during the course of the relationship parang okay, ba't hindi natin ginagawa? Wala na mga excuses, kasi kung before may mga excuses kayo na kasi busy sa ganito, or may mga inasikaso sa ganyan, or wala ng oras, ganyan, parang narealize nyo na kaya pa rin. Kung nagawa nyo dati, mas magagawa nyo pa ngayon kasi mas nagkakaintindihan na kayo. And leaning to the kaya ito nasa Nine of Swords din is, I think yun yung hindi siya yung sa present moment eh. Hindi siya yung dahil may regrets kayo or panghihinayin kayo at the moment, but it's the time na hindi nyo ginawa yun. Kuwari, di ba yung phase, parang itong phase na to okay kayo. Tapos may phase na parang okay, yun nga, nagkaroon ng issues, conflicts, ganyan, tapos naayos nyo ulit. Tapos parang na-realize nyo, ay sana ginawa na natin yun, at parang tinuloy-tuloy natin kasi parang nasayang yung itong time na to na hindi nyo ginagawa. Pero happy pa rin kayo na naayos nyo na, kasi now at this chapter, diba, parang nagtuloy-tuloy yung love. Parang kung sa kanta yan, parang nagkaroon lang ng bridge or instrumental. So, yung tong kanta, oops, nag-instrumental. So, it doesn't mean na nawala yung music. So, nandun pa rin siya. Pero, nawala yung melody and all. May ganung ano. Parang ano no? Kala mo singer no? Anyway, so, or songwriter no? Anyway, yun na yung naisip kong logic bigla with this. And then, tas nagtuloy naman na yung song. Ayan. So, yung lyrics, yung part ng song. So, that's what I see here with the Nine of Swords. Kasi siya lang naman, and it doesn't relate masyado kung sobrang negative. So, everything is positive here. So, and yun din yung download na na-receive ko ngayon, that the parang sort of regret or causing some parang not so positive with this is yun nga, yung panghihinayang na nangyari dahil nga dun sa point in time na sana inalot nyo na lang yung kung ano yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, sana ginawa nyo na dito sa chapter na to. Pero okay lang din kasi nga na-realize nyo na okay, kaya naman pala. And with the Knight of Wands here, mas yun nga, nag-move forward, and ayun, nagkakaroon ng momentum ano yung sinimulan nyo dito when it comes to the reset, positive reset between the two of you. And yung ano nga din dito is the energy of the High Priestess, which is you're just really following your intuition. And I mean, yung the High Priestess din kasi is a card of mystery, pero it's something na yun nga, na unveil siya eventually. And what's yung na-reveal sa inyo sa isa't isa, nakikilala nyo pa nga yung isa't isa in a positive way. Di ba? Na parang, parang buti na lang nagkaroon kayo ng another chapter wherein mas naintindihan nyo yung isa't isa, and the more you understand each other, the more the relationship grow, and mas nakikilala nyo pa nga yung sarili din ninyo when it comes to the relationship. Ayun. So, yun. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. It's just really a quick energy check-in for all signs. Abangan nyo na lang yung reading ko for each sign from Aries, di ba, to Pisces. So, I'll do the 12 signs and this weekend. So, abangan nyo na lang siya. But for now, sana nakatulong ito. And, ayun, maraming salamat sa suporta. Kita-kits. Ingat.